My name is Cal Morton with EasTex Solar. We're platinum installers for Sol-Ark, and welcome to Palestine, Texas. We were a grid-tied house up until really 21, and started doing some smaller battery backup and a couple little small off-grid solutions. And then when Sol-Ark introduced the 15K with the 200 amp bypass, total game changer for us and our approach to storage and what people wanted. They wanted everything that they could have and let them decide, you know, what they could and what they couldn't run in the grid down scenario. So it literally changed our business almost overnight at that time. And that was probably May 22, I think. So yeah, ever since then, Sol-Ark has been our go-to for sure for storage. I know we've installed about 160, you know, since that time. We still do some grid-tied, you know, solutions with using just pure grid-tied inverters, but I'd say 80% of our business now, probably more than that, is storage and with hybrid inverters. And we have tried some other solutions. We've had a few fortresses in the field, but not many. And we just stay with Sol-Ark because they work. They just absolutely work. Whether it's a 15 or now the 18, a 15K with 3 Helios batteries, 15K and almost 50 kilowatt hours of storage at a cost that I don't think can be matched if you're looking at, you know, on a kilowatt hour basis. And with 50 kilowatt hours of storage, and whether it's 50 amps of off-grid or 75 amps off-grid, you can do, you know, whether it's in pairs or just by themselves, it packs a lot of punch. So that's my favorite solution: a Sol-Ark and 3 Helios batteries. But yeah, it is easy. So, and that's the problems that was the problems that I had personally before Sol-Ark. Was everything was pieced together, whether, you know, it was the charge controllers and the inverters, and, you know, whether it was like 150 volts, you know, on the strings, and so you're bringing massive numbers of strings down, and the Sol-Ark just makes it, you know, easy. It's all in just one package. It's a big package, but it's all in there, and you're just bringing everything there. And again, I'll just say it works.
My name's Kevin, I'm the customer. I couldn't be happier with what I've got here. I've ran some dedicated circuits, and anything that runs constantly in my house runs off of solar. Chest freezers, I've got 2 of them, hot water heater, all of my internet, modem, router, PoE switch, Echo Dots, and I've even got some backup wall units that run off solar. This thing doing pretty good in my book.
Yeah, obviously there's some differences between the 15 and the 18 and the 12 in regards to once you open up that panel and the, you know, the selection of breakers or not having breakers, but everything else is the same. If you know, and especially with the commissioning, the menu, the firmware, it's all very familiar to us, so no problem at all.
We had an outage last Thursday. PV wasn't that good, and I found that my battery was down to what it normally is. So I'm thinking about putting a hookup to the generator so that I can top off the battery if I need to. So That's something that's going to happen real soon. EasTex Solar, man, from the get-go, they helped me out with sizing the system, and then Al came out, he demonstrated his capability by putting this stuff in a day. Man, really impressed with EasTex Solar.